Hi, my name's 𝗠શકે🗲🗃𝗏. I'm with Modern Dive Solutions. We're the U.S. distributor for the Drass 𝗗-𝗊𝗏 helmet. The one thing I have to say about the training is myself, I had never had the opportunity to actually take components apart on the hat before or do any kind of cleaning or service. So I went into it with a blank slate. I found the instruction by Pedro to be excellent because I had little or no difficulty in learning each of the steps and each of the components as we put them together. The hat, compared to other manufacturers, seems to be superior in many ways. It has a lot of positive attributes. It's more of a modern type design, and I think that our customers and our clients will be very pleased with it. What little we've been able to take it out into the public and to show to commercial divers and commercial dive companies, they've been greatly impressed by its features. I can't say enough about the support from Drass, and we're looking forward to doing business with them in the future.